Let's review quickly what happens when we add two fractions that give us an improper fraction when added together. Let's try this set, 5/7 plus 1/2. As you know, 5/7 is more than a half, and a half is halfway to the next whole, and so it's very likely that when we add these two fractions together, we're going to get a number that's greater than 1. So, first step, let's look for our common denominator, and it seems like the best denominator we can find for these two is 14. So, on the left, when we multiply the 7 here by 2, and we multiply also the top by 2, which is really multiplying by 1, 2 over 2 is equal to 1, so it's perfectly fine that we do this. That gives us 10 over 14, or 10/14. On the right, we'll multiply these two by 7 over 7, which is perfectly fine again because we're just multiplying by 1. 7/7 is equal to 1. So multiplying the top, that gives us 7, and the bottom gives us 14. So now when we add these two together, we come out with 17/14. Well, 17 is more than 14, so we have an improper fraction here. So let's divide that 17 by 14. That tells us we have a whole number 1, and we have 3 left over. So we would write that in the numerator, and that gives us 1 3/14 as our final answer. So with that, I think that's a short review that reminds us how to add larger fractions that give us an improper fraction for an answer.